Welcome to How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. Today, we're comparing Zencoder AI and Codeium, two solid, no-cost AI tools for developers in 2025. So which one's actually the best? Zencoder AI is a great choice for anyone looking for lightweight code suggestions and quick fixes. It's browser-based, free to use, and works across several programming languages. But it's more focused on simple tasks, so it's not as powerful for complex coding. Codeium, on the other hand, is a powerful AI tool that supports multiple IDEs. It offers real-time code suggestions, has extensive language support, and the free version even covers commercial use. It's a bit more feature-rich and flexible than Zencoder, making it great for more serious developers. So if you're looking for simplicity and lightweight support, Zencoder AI might work for you. But if you want a more powerful, feature-packed AI assistant for your coding projects, Codeium is the better choice. This is How to Literally, keeping it smart, simple, and scam-free.